Hi guys, this is Naf and I'm going to show you how to play YouTube videos or play playlists or YouTube music in the background while you're still doing other stuff, or even maybe put your phone in the pocket. So the first thing we are going to do is we're going to open YouTube application, and once you open, as you can see, there's this music I was playing. I'm going to continue playing this music, and then you click on listen to open tab, go to YouTube, click on the YouTube icon. You can see different options. Select open in pop-up view. The YouTube will open in a pop-up view floating on top of other icons, and then you can resize it. You can resize it to whichever size you want. Then you can be able to move it all the way down and hide it, so that it's not visible. Hide it in the bottom, completely bottom. I've already forgotten to play the music. Now as you can see, the music's playing. Then you hide it all the way. You hide it all the way down. Yeah, hide it all the way down. Now as you can see, I'm on Chrome, and I can be able to search. uh, I can be able to browse while the YouTube music or playlist is still playing. I can be able to do different things, as you can see. Let me just change to another application. Let me look for Instagram, and here it is. So as you can see, I've already opened Instagram. Okay, I'm going to check out. Let me start by liking that picture. Bonfire adventures, okay, Liverpool FC. Let me like this picture. I don't know this guy. Wahoo Kagwe. Okay, let me just like that picture. As you can see, I can be able to do different stuff while still the music is playing. You can even be able to put your phone in the pocket, and while the YouTube music or YouTube application is open, it's playing. And the drawback with this is that the backlight of the phone will still be on, and different application can be open while maybe you are walking, but the music, the YouTube will still be working. No interruption will come through because the icon is already hidden. I've already opened another application, Yahoo. I can do, let me go to the main menu. As you can see, is the main menu. Okay, here, let me just play again. I can open Messenger, or let me just open Twitter. Yes, Twitter. Okay, here it is, Twitter. And you can even be able to tweet or chat with anyone while still the YouTube is application is playing in the background. And this is the only trick that you can be able to do, so that the YouTube is already playing or hidden. And thing that you're going to make sure the only thing that you're going to make sure it's working is make sure that your phone can support open any application in a pop-up view. And for that to happen, just make sure that you upgrade your phone or upgrade your Android phone to version 9. Just make sure that you upgrade your phone to Android version 9, and you're good to go. So ladies and gentlemen, that's how you play YouTube in the background. I hope that you've enjoyed and that you have learned something. Please comment, or any suggestion is very welcome. Thank you so